far is that from the?
When I pull all the way back, you'll know.
Oh, I see. So
I zeroed it out.
I see. Right, yeah, okay. So this is concrete from here to the city, to the main?
Kind of aggregate on the bottom.
Well, I think that's from all the goddamn rocks that went through here with the pool.
No, that's erosion from the bottom of the pipe. It makes it all aggregated like that.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, right. Yeah, okay, I see. Yeah, right. That makes sense. So it's smooth and then it just washes off the... It just exposes the aggregate, doesn't add it. Just...
There's like a break or something right there. I go over it. There's a break.
Hole, right? It's like
Yeah,
in the bottom of it.
Yeah, there's a break right there where they join together.
Mm-hmm.
At the bottom, so that's just draining into the earth.
Like the grade through that part stays pretty flat, doesn't have any low spots until you get to...
There's a tie-in or
Right,
Y.
that's the what, yeah, right, from the other one. Please don't put anything on that tile.
Yeah. Underwater.
That's like 6-7 feet, huh? Of underwater.
Yeah. Can you see your address real quick?
Yeah. It's 4214.
Say it at that, please.
That's right.
Say it at that, please. It's got a microphone on right now.
Oh, 4214 94th Avenue, Southeast, Mercer Island, 98040.
All right, cool.